Minnie's Handbags here, and welcome to my channel, guys. Today I have a wish list bag from Dooney and Bourke, y'all. I am so excited to finally get my hands on this particular bag. So if you guys want to see the bag that I'm talking about, then please make sure to stay tuned. Hey everyone, and welcome. If you guys are new here or if you're a returning viewer and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. It's absolutely free to you. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for showing all of your love and support and tuning back into another video, guys. We're gonna get straight into this wish list bag, y'all. So for the last, I probably want to say the last 2 years, I have been trying to get my hands on this particular bag, and it keeps going in and out of stock. Last year I was supposed to pick the bag up and the size that I wanted was not in stock. So I was like, I'm not gonna pick it up in any other size, because I did say that I wasn't going to pick it up in any other size except for the size that I wanted. So I had to wait. Now this bag did come back in stock this year, probably about earlier in like spring. This bag came back in stock, but the price just wasn't right yet. So your girl didn't pull the trigger. Y'all, I finally pulled the trigger on this bag, and I am so glad that I waited, because it's just in time for Breast Cancer Awareness Month as well too. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the unboxing, and then I'll come back and we will unbag this bag together, guys.
She's not so in that bitch bad. Watch her blow a hole back. She gets away. Like every time of day, and every single way. But when she gets away, yeah, that's how she falls. That's how she hustles. You know how she does it. She gets away.
Alright guys, so as you can see, your girl picked up finally her Dooney and Bourke large Florentine satchel in the color fuchsia, guys. So that is the tag in the inside. This is number 14 of 25. The ship order date, I guess, was 7/23/25. Now, on the site, this bag is still available as of me recording this video. I believe today is October the 21st. So this bag is still available, and it's still on the autumn sale going on. And y'all, so I got it on the autumn sale, plus I got an additional 20% off. Yes, your girl said an additional 20% off, and I am so excited to unbag this with y'all. Y'all understand how long I have been wanting this particular color in my collection from Dooney and Bourke. Like, I have been waiting on this bag and waiting, and I have been watching so many of you ladies unbox this bag or share this bag, because you guys have already had it in your collection. And your girl was just admiring from afar, and I was just like, I'm gonna get this bag. This is my wish list bag. I'm gonna get it. I should say wish list color. I shouldn't say bag, because I already have several Dooney and Bourke Florentine satchels, but this is a wish list color in this bag. So I am super excited to have it in my collection. Now I will pull out one of my larger ones, because y'all, I low-key kind of feel like this is the regular size, and maybe it's just because of how tight they have this packed, but I will compare it to the two that I already have. And I did low-key measure it while it was still in the bag, and the measurements is saying that it's a large, but I don't know. And it was not. is going back and they gonna send me my large. You hear me? Because I want a large. Y'all, she is so beautiful, y'all. She is absolutely gorgeous. I am so glad to have this color in my collection. And she is very smooth, y'all. Oh my gosh. She is so smooth. Dooney Florentine. She smells so good, y'all. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and finish taking everything off, and then we are going to get into this bag in more detail, okay?
Sweet love. Lake on the beat. Sweet love. You give me nothing but sweet love.
Alright guys, so I finally got all the stuffing out of the inside of this beautiful bag. It did come with the Dooney and Bourke traditional dust bag here. And this is a pretty big dust bag, y'all. Not that I am going to need it, but they did send that to me. Okay, this is the crossbody for this bag. So let's go ahead and get into this cutie. Y'all, why do I feel like this is not the what is this? Y'all, I'm looking at the tassels because it looks like they got some tape. Is that tape? Yeah, they have tape on the tassel. I was like, wait a minute. Hold up, Dooney. Don't play no games now. Alright, yeah. So I'm going to show you guys. So, there's a little bit. I don't know if you guys right there. There's some tape on this one. And there's another one somewhere. Okay, this one right here as well. So you guys can see that they have some tape, but it's peeling off with no problem. This bag is so soft, y'all. Ooh, buttery soft, buttery soft. All right, guys, so let's get into the details. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen the Satchel 50 million times, but we gonna go over this real quickly. I will throw the measurements of this bag up on the screen for you guys as well too. Okay, so first of all, she does come with 4 feet on the bottom, reinforced with the leather tabs. All the hardware on this bag is gold. I love the buckle detailing on the front. It does have the Dooney and Bourke leather patch here on the front as well in the fuchsia color. It does come with the tassels that have the green suede lining underneath on both sides. Once again, it has the gold O-rings that allow the handles to drop down. It is the rolled handles with the whip stitching. Absolutely love that in that brown Timoro color. And then, of course, you do have your D-rings on both sides so that you can add your crossbody. It does have the top zipper. The zipper pull here is a braided zipper pull. And then in the interior of the bag, you do get that green suede lining. This is so soft, y'all. Absolutely love it. So on that back wall, you do get the zip and slip with the leather Dooney and Bourke patch. And the zipper, as well as that slip pocket, is lined in the fuchsia Florentine leather. And then on the front side, you do get a large slip pocket and a smaller slip pocket as well. And then you also get your key leash as well too, guys. So absolutely love this bag. I love the color. So let's check out, do they have the little sticker on here? They do. So even the sticker says large satchel in the color fuchsia. So let me pull out All right, so this is my, I believe this in the color slate. This is my slate. I don't know, guys. Y'all tell me. I'm about to feel some kind of way. I guess it is, because it looks like, is it? Let's see. I don't know. It looks a smidget shorter right here. This one does look like it might be a little bit. Let me make sure I got this one here even before I talk trash, y'all. Before I talk trash. I guess it is the large. I don't know. Maybe it's because it's not stuffed that it just looks like it's not. And because it was squished in the bag. But yes. So maybe this is the large. But y'all, your girl is so excited to have finally her fuchsia Florentine satchel in her collection, y'all. Y'all, I can't even contain my excitement right now. Like, I really feel like just busting out in a dance or something. Like, your girl is happy, y'all. Your girl is happy. Y'all, I am so happy. And she is very, very beautiful, y'all. This is an absolutely gorgeous bag. I love this color. When I say Peter and his team, dude, they did their big thing when they created this fuchsia color. This color is gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love it, and it is gorgeous on this bag. And I am so glad that I finally have this in my collection, y'all. And I did get this bag just in time for breast cancer awareness. So you guys know that your girl probably gonna move into this bag after this coming Sunday, because yeah, why not? Hello. Absolutely moving into this bag, y'all. And yeah, so I was looking for a matching wallet because I don't have a fuchsia Florentine wallet in my collection, and I didn't see one on the site. I may have to go back and check, but I don't remember seeing one on the site when I went to go order the bag. So I may have to pick that up on the secondhand market if it's not on the site in the wallet that I want, I should say. If it's not in there, I'll probably have to pick up one off the secondhand market, y'all. But yeah, I just wanted to come on really quickly, guys, and share with you guys my beautiful new addition. I am super excited. This has been a wish list bag for me for a little minute, so I am super excited to finally have this bag in my collection. If you guys have stuck with me this far, please make sure to go ahead and like this video. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already. Leave a nice comment down below. And let me know, guys, do you have the Florentine satchel and fuchsia in your collection? And let me know what size you have if you have one as well too. Or are you like me and it's on your wish list and you are looking to acquire this bag very soon? Let me know down in the comments, guys. Don't forget to click the bell. That way you're always notified every time I upload a new video. And until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.